Never before seen Jussie Smollett court files, and minutes ago they were released. A judge sealed the files back in March, but today changed his mind. CBS News' Megan Hickey is live at criminal courthouse with what she's learned. Megan.
Brad, we've been digging through that case file. It includes some memos and other records that we didn't have before. But really what's significant about this decision is that it paves the way for potentially hundreds of records and other communications surrounding this case to now be released in the near future. We requested those records. They were denied to us, citing that sealing order. But now that order has been lifted.
The media filed a motion to...
The motion to unseal the case file was brought by an attorney representing a large group of media clients, including CBS Chicago. The media attorney cited the public interest in this case and the circumstances surrounding the abrupt dismissal of charges against Jussie Smollett, who had been charged with faking a racist and homophobic attack. In his 10-page decision, Judge Steven Watkins explained that while the existing case law doesn't necessarily support unsealing this case, Smollett's actions did.
Punches me right in the face.
He cited this interview that Smollett did on national TV talking about this case.
Get back to work and
this voluntary interview that he gave in the courthouse lobby following the dismissal of charges in front of dozens of cameras. Quote, "These are not the actions of a person seeking to maintain his privacy or simply be let alone," Watkins said. Quote, "By doing so, the court cannot credit his privacy interest as a good cause to keep the records sealed."
This is about transparency and trust in the system, and we believe the public has a right to know what the government did here and why.
As a result, Smollett's case file in the Cook County Circuit Court Clerk's office was opened today. But what could be much more significant than that file is the hundreds of pages worth of records and communications from Chicago police and the Cook County State's Attorney's Office that were previously denied to us. Now, Chicago police tell us they have roughly 600 pages worth of investigatory files to release. Now, the earliest they'll be able to do that, they're saying, is on Tuesday. The Cook County State's Attorney's Office also has documents to release. They say they'll release those by June 3rd. Live at 26th in California, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Megan, thank you. We've been breaking news in the Smollett case since the very beginning. To catch up on all our stories and to read more on the just released documents, go to our website, cbschicago.com/Smollett.